गणतंत्र दिवस का संदेश सुनो, संविधान का मान करो। जनता की ये शक्ति है, हर दिल की अभिव्यक्ति है। समानता का दिया है नारा, हर कदम पे साथ हमारा।
Patriotism isn't just loyalty to a flag. It's the fire in your veins, the roar of your heart, and the unshakable pride in the soil that shaped you. It stands tall, fearless, and ready to protect the legacy of your land.
A very good morning to Honorable Principal Ma'am, Quality Assurance in charge Sir, Headmistress Ma'am, Academic Coordinator Ma'am, teachers and all present here. I, Vanya Mishra,
And I, Aditya Bhan Kanojia,
from grade 11, welcome you all today to this blissful assembly on the occasion of 76th Republic Day on behalf of Shamrock House. This day is remembered as the occasion when the declaration of Purna Swaraj or complete independence from British rule was made and the final constitution came into force.
on this day, the President of India unfurls the national flag. Thank you, Madam and Sir.
भारत माता की
अपना है दिल ये आज का, दुनिया से जाके बोल दो, बोल दो। ऐसे जागो रे साथियों, दुनिया की आंखें खोल दो, खोल दो। लहरा दो, लहरा दो, सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो। गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरजमीं का परचम लहरा दो, लहरा दो, लहरा दो। सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो। गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरजमीं का परचम लहरा दो। हाथ करके बैठने से क्या भला कुछ होता है, हाथ करके बैठने से क्या भला कुछ होता है। जागीरों को दिखा क्या जोर बाजू होता है, जागीरों को दिखा क्या जोर बाजू होता है। हिम्मत मरेगा अगर वो सब खुदा भी होता है, जा ज़माने को दिखा दे खुद में दम क्या होता है। लहरा दो, लहरा दो, सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो। गर्दिश में फिर अपनी का परचम लहरा दो गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरज़मीं का परचम लहरा दो. Good morning, everyone. January 26th, a day so bright. Republic Day, a celebration in sight. The tricolor waves high, a symbol of pride. We honor our nation side by side. We pledge to uphold the values of our land. Justice, equality, and freedom hand in hand. Happy Republic Day to one and all. May our nation prosper and forever stand tall. Thank you.
As we come together to welcome our tiny tots from grade 1 and 2, who are all set to take the stage with an enthusiastic and vibrant performance. Let us cheer them on as they shine bright, echoing the hope, dream and strength of our beloved motherland.
बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद. रास्ते पे चलूंगा ना डर डर के चाहे मुझे जीना पड़े मर मर के. मंजिल से पहले डालूंगा कदम आगे ही आगे बढ़ाऊंगा कदम. दाहिने बाएं दम बनना मुन्ना रानी देश का सिपाही. बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय मेरी नई है नगर देश को बनाऊंगा मशीनों पर. भारत किसी से लड़ेगा नहीं कम आगे ही आगे बढ़ाऊंगा कदम. दाहिने बाएं दम नन्हा मुन्ना रानी देश का सिपाही. बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय
It was indeed such a captivating performance.
It's about celebrating our constitution, right? But I wonder if we've lived up to the promises it makes. Justice, equality, and liberty for everyone.
Exactly. I hope this Republic Day inspires more people to think about their roles in making things better.
On this day, we celebrate the soul of our nation. But let us pause and reflect. What does India mean to us today? Is it the India of dreams or the India of struggles? Let's find out.
I am Bharat, your mother. For centuries, I have nurtured you with my rivers, my culture, and my soil. But today, I see both pride and pain. Tell me, my children, how do you feel about me?
Oh, mother, I am proud of my education, my freedom to dream. But the weight of unemployment and competition pulls me down. Will my dreams ever find wings?
Mother, I feed the nation, but I barely feed my family. Loans bury us, and droughts betray us. Why is my labor unseen?
Mother, I guard your border with pride, but do my sacrifices truly matter when peace within is at risk, is hated, becoming our greatest enemy.
Mother, I fight for equality and justice, but casteism, corruption and inequality divide us every day. Can we rise above this?
My children, I feel your pain, but do you see how your actions shape me?
Change is not just an inevitable part of life, it is the very force that drives progress and growth. Change is the cornerstone of India's journey.
And sisters, fear not, development is coming. Trust in me, I will bring reforms.
But where are the jobs you promised?
Where's the justice for the oppressed?
Why does our progress come at the cost of our environment?
Enough, children. The blame game won't solve anything. The strength of India lies in you, in unity, in action, in compassion.
The citizens and characters huddle together in harmony, discussing solutions. They step forward one by one with their commitments.
I will use my education to bring innovation, not just for myself, but for the society.
I will adopt modern methods and work for sustainable farming.
I will continue to serve and remind others of the importance of peace within.
I will ensure equality becomes substantial. And I will listen to the people and prioritize the nation above all.
A new India rises, where dreams have no boundaries and every citizen thrives with dignity and purpose. This Republic Day, let us pledge to build an India that is not just a dream, but a reality, where every citizen takes responsibility, where diversity is our strength and unity is our goal.
इतिहास का मैं आईना हूं, तहजीब का रंग सुनहरा हूं। गंगा जमुना मेरी आंखें, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा। मैं कल भी था, मैं आज भी हूं, मैं नवयुग का अंदाज भी हूं। सारी दुनिया का घर मुझ में, इस मिट्टी का आदर मुझ में। मैं देशभक्त भी कह रहा हूं, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा।
जय तू भारतम, जय तू भारतम। विश्व प्रेम की ओर चदरिया जाना भारत है ये। विश्व प्रेम की ओर चदरिया, विश्व प्रेम की ओर चदरिया, सच्चे सुर में गाता है। एक सुरीली आशा लेकर सूरज नहीं उगाता है।
जश्न है भारत, रग रग में है जीत की आदत। ऐसा हुनर दुश्मन भी सलामी दे। तू सूरज हम तेरे उजाले, तुझसे जुदा नहीं होने वाले। आखिर तक हम सफर तिरंगे के। जय हिंद जो नस नस में है, हर बार
सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा।
ऐ मेरे प्यारे वतन, ऐ मेरे बिछड़े चमन, तुझके दिल कुर्बान, तुझके दिल कुर्बान।
Special mention trophy goes to Abhinav Preeti Burman and Vedhansh Saxena, who have not only exceptionally played well, but also defeated a seasoned player like M. Wazir Khan. I am delighted to announce International Master Wazir Khan. I am delighted to announce the names of the remarkable players. Anirudh Dwivedi, grade 9E. Raghav Awasthi, grade 9D, Samyak Sagar, grade 6D, Advik Tripathi, grade 7F, Vedant Mishra, grade 8E, Daksh Arora, grade 9E, Sujay Man Tripathi, grade 9D, Darsh Agarwal, grade 10C, Arjun Chaurasya, grade 9D, Aditya Pandey, grade 8D.
Students who were felicitated with the trophy. This trophy is not from us, that's from the Indian Chess Association, which conducts all these, that they had defeated 2 grandmasters in a recent chess tournament. So we doing very, very well in the field of sports and chess. You've seen that we have exemplary achievements. What is Constitution? It is a book of rules and regulations by which the country is governed, okay? And that's the supreme document of any country. And how do we prepare ourselves from this early age to learn to follow that constitution? That's by ensuring obedience to the school's rules and regulations. Unless we learn that, we cannot learn how to respect our constitution once we grow up and we move into the society as a citizen. So the most important training that we have to give to ourselves is that we grow up into responsible citizens. And who is a responsible citizen? The one who follows the rules of the country, that's the law of the land, and also maintains the dignity and respect of everybody else. And I think these are the things that we have to start from school. If you will learn to do all this in school, you will follow this throughout your life.
न्याय, स्वतंत्रता और भाईचारा, इनसे ही बने देश हमारा। गणतंत्र दिवस का संदेश सुनो, संविधान का मान करो, जनता की ये शक्ति है, हर दिल की अभिव्यक्ति है। गणतंत्र दिवस का संदेश सुनो, संविधान का मान करो, जनता की ये शक्ति है, हर दिल की अभिव्यक्ति है।